Hello everyone! If you want your Anthurium to stay lush, grow quickly, and continuously produce strong, healthy buds, the most important thing is proper care and the right nutrition. When the plant is properly nourished, its roots become stronger and the leaves grow thicker and glossier, which encourages steady and vigorous bud formation. Proper care doesn't just increase the number of buds, it also helps them grow faster, stronger, and reduces the risk of early bud drop. Once you understand what your Anthurium needs and provide it at the right time, it will reward you with consistent, long-lasting blooms all year round. Before applying any type of fertilizer, you should evenly water the growing medium with clean water to fully moisten the root zone. Pre-moistening the medium allows the roots to adapt better, reduces nutrient shock, and helps the plant absorb fertilizer more safely and effectively. This step also helps flush out excess residues in the medium, clean the root area, and improve nutrient uptake. It's an essential practice to protect the root system, minimize damage, and support long-term healthy, stable growth of your Anthurium. The main ingredient I'm using to care for my Anthurium today is coffee powder. A simple yet highly effective natural ingredient that can easily be found in any kitchen. I add 3 teaspoons of coffee powder into a clean glass jar. Pour in 1,000 milliliters of boiling water, stir thoroughly, and let it steep for 30 minutes so the nutrients are fully extracted, creating a rich brown nutrient-rich solution for the plant. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to the Flower Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. After steeping the coffee powder for 30 minutes, I stir the mixture once more to evenly distribute the nutrients. Then strain out all the grounds and keep only the extracted liquid, as this step prevents residue from clogging the roots or causing fungal issues in the growing medium. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution, making it gentler and preventing shock when watering the roots or spraying the leaves, especially for Anthuriums. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the diluted coffee solution and stir until it's completely dissolved. Baking soda helps reduce the coffee's acidity, balance the pH, and limit harmful fungal growth in the soil, creating a more stable environment for strong roots and better nutrient absorption. Step 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the diluted coffee and baking soda solution. Then gently wipe down all the leaves of the Anthurium. This step removes accumulated dust and keeps the stomata clear, allowing the plant to breathe and photosynthesize more efficiently. The coffee provides natural minerals such as potassium and magnesium, while the baking soda helps balance surface pH and discourage fungal growth on the leaves. When the leaves are properly cleaned, gas exchange and nutrient absorption improve, especially for plants that are weak or stress due to environmental changes. Regular leaf cleaning also boosts photosynthesis, resulting in glossier, thicker leaves with a deeper green color. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch the language by going to the video settings and selecting the version that works best for you. With this simple step, you help your Anthurium recover faster, strengthen its natural vitality, and maintain healthy blooms year-round. Step 2. I pour the diluted coffee and baking soda solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire Anthurium, including the stems, both sides of the leaves, and the surface of the growing medium. The fine mist ensures even distribution, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients naturally and evenly through both the leaves and the root zone. Coffee provides minerals such as potassium and magnesium, supporting metabolic activity and overall plant vitality. Baking soda helps regulate the surface environment of the leaves and soil, limiting fungal and bacterial growth and reducing the risk of root rot or leaf spots. When spraying, apply a light mist, just enough moisture without soaking the plant to avoid stressing it. With just 1 or 2 applications per week, you'll notice stronger roots, deeper green and glossier leaves, and longer-lasting blooms. Step 3. I evenly pour the diluted coffee and baking soda solution over the surface of the Anthurium's growing medium. This is the deep feeding step, allowing the solution to soak into the root zone, where nutrient absorption is most efficient. The coffee solution provides natural minerals such as potassium and magnesium, supporting stronger root development, better branching, and wider root spread in the growing medium. When applied directly to the soil, the solution also helps maintain a more balanced and stable pH environment around the roots. Baking soda helps limit harmful fungal activity in moist conditions, reducing the risk of root rot and other soil-related issues. With a healthy root system, the Anthurium will produce new shoots faster, develop deeper green foliage, and bloom more vibrantly with longer-lasting flowers. After allowing the growing medium to soak in the diluted coffee and baking soda solution for about 10 minutes, I gently move the plant to a bright area with indirect light so it can stabilize and absorb the nutrients naturally. Step 4. I use a soft cotton cloth to gently wipe down all the leaves of the Anthurium. This is the final step, but an essential one, as it removes dust and any remaining residue, keeping the leaf surface clean and breathable. Clean, dry leaves allow for better air exchange and photosynthesis, while also reducing the risk of fungal issues caused by excess moisture after spraying. Regular leaf cleaning not only makes the leaves glossier and deeper green, but also allows you to monitor the plant closely and detect early signs of stress or pests. More importantly, this is a moment to connect with your plant and feel the quiet vitality nature offers, making plant care a calmer and more meaningful experience. With simple natural ingredients like coffee and baking soda, we can create an easy yet effective formula to care for Anthuriums, helping them grow stronger roots, develop glossy green leaves, and bloom beautifully all year round. I hope today's video has given you not only helpful tips, but also a little inspiration from nature. If you love plants and want to explore more natural care methods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the passion for gardening to more people. I'll see you in the next videos on Flower Care Garden, where we nurture happiness one leaf at a time.